Here is the profit and loss report. It is showing a small profit, just $392. Let's check together whether this profit figure is accurate or no. Many business owners mix personal spending into their business books. It may seem harmless, but it silently eats away at your profits. And this is the number one mistake business owners make to kill their profits. And the worst part, you often don't even notice it. Let me show you exactly how. We are going to dig into the details because that number is most likely wrong. As we review expense transactions, some clearly look personal, like family car and building insurance, director families related expenses, lease payments, and more. Many entries don't have any description or memo. Recording transactions without proper description is a very bad practice. We will need to verify all such entries. These kind of mistakes are profit killers. They may not look dangerous at first, but they reduce profit and hurt your decision making. To fix this, we will use a QuickBooks feature called class tracking. It helps us tag each transaction, whether it is truly business related, personal, or needs to follow up. First, let's turn on class tracking. It is under accounts and setting. Now let's create our classes. I am going to create three: personal, business, and to verify. For anything unclear, so we can confirm later with the owner or CEO. You can create different classes depending on the nature of your business and the techniques you want to apply. This method is very simple yet very effective. Now go back to your list of transactions. Open each one and assign it to the correct class, business, personal, or to verify. This step helps us separate things visually, even if the accounting hasn't been cleaned up yet. Next, let's run the profit and loss by class report. You will now see that personal and to be verified expenses are grouped separately. But here is something important. All of our business class expenses are still showing are not specified. Why? Because QuickBooks treat any untagged entry as uncategorized, even if it is clearly a business expense. So we just need to go back and assign the business class to those entries as well. Now look at the difference. The profit shown for the business class is now $2,858. That means over 2000 worth of personal or unclear expenses were pulling down our business profit. This is exactly how business owners unknowingly kill their profits. They think it's all mine anyway, but that mindset leads to confusion, tax issues, and sometimes even legal trouble. Even though we have tagged personal expenses, we still need to remove them from profit and loss report. That means reclassifying them to the owner's drawing or to a personal liability account so that our financials reflect the true picture of our business. So remember, don't let personal expenses hide in your books. Track them, separate them, and move them out properly. That's how you protect your profit and make smart financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, feel free to send me a message.